Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys, we are going to upload guys Oppo mobile guys split screen setting, and in this video guys I will show guys how to use split screen on Oppo mobile. And so you want to use a split screen setting on your Oppo phone device. So how to on and use split screen, the guys I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see this type interface on your phone. Friends, click on split screen setting. Friends, we will on split screen, and guys on guys your swipe with three finger. Click here. And friends, now we will on by mistake friends I on this setting off. Friends, I will on Play Store, and guys use your three finger to split screen. As you can see, screen will split. And second, friends, you want to on YouTube, so you can on YouTube app. So as you can see guys, with Play Store friends, we can use YouTube app. So, and friends, you can adjust this screen guys also. So like that friends, we can on split screen, and friends we can use guys. And once you want to on here guys phone setting, as you can see, with phone setting friends we can use Play Store. So like that friends, we can on guys split screen, and friends we can use. Friends, you don't want to use, friends again click on friends your tool setting, and friends scroll it. Split screen setting friends, click here, and friends you can off. After friends, you cannot use your split screen. Friends, you can check when we will use guys three finger. Friends, you can see screen will not split on our device. So like that friends, we can on and use split screen on Oppo mobile. So bye guys.